Yeah, welcome back to the channel. It's been a long time since I've been able to do anything. Now the weather is been plus degrees Celsius plus. For some days with the sun I've been able to warm up. It have start to take away some of the snow, at least with some ice under. Now I'm just starting to try to do something with some of the cars. The Land Cruiser, I have not found the problem with the turbo controller. I was trying to put in the old turbo controller again and see someone was saying something, but yeah, it's just a problem. So now I'm just trying to charge up some of the other cars and yeah, try to put in some air in the tires and things, because last time I was trying to start this Land Cruiser, it was almost killing me. It was shooting black smoke, and was after I put in the old controller and had some tired problems there. Yeah, just problems. So for a moment I just relaxing with this one and try to take in some of the other cars and work on them instead, because this one just make me sad. I don't want to work more on it for the moment and just drive it out and leave it outside. It's like that. Sometimes you have to see that you have been beaten hard long enough and you can't let this car stop everything else. Then I have so many projects that will make me happy instead. So now I'm just trying to start up some other cars and fill in some air. Yeah, the weather is going to closer to spring. My oldest boy have been getting his driver's license, so he just take a trip out driving the Camry, just since it's so good weather, and let him be a little happy for his success. Meanwhile, I'm going to charge up the car he's supposed to get, or he have been getting. Charged up the Celica last night or into this morning. Now I'm just charging up the LS400 94 model, and we also have one more Celica behind and a lot of other cars, but now I'm just trying to see if I can start this one. Let's see if we have some possibility to start this car. Yeah. Let's heat up. This car has been standing the whole winter, so just try to get in some air so you can see. You have to do a lot of things on this car and get it controlled and everything before you can start using it, but at least you can try to do something here, do something. I would like to fix the LS400 behind it, so I want to be able, since that one is a classic car this year, it's 30 years old, so I like to get that one up and driving. Since the insurance is very little when it's that old. So let's see. First now just filling up some air and hoping everything is working there too. It started up very easy. Let's let it just charge. Yeah, then I finished airing up the LS400 and the Celica there. Now I'm just going to take some picture of this Outlander, because yeah, I have so many projects and just have to see if I can sell it for an okay price. If I can do that, I'm selling it. If not, I'm just keeping it and finish it for control, but I have some small errors, and I have very little time, and I have at least 10 other projects I should have started with. So we just see. Just take some more picture and see if that one can go. I have to clean up in the car park and see all the cars I have and see what I'm going to start working on. The 60 series Land Cruiser in behind here I really would like to work on, so that one is not going to be sold. But what to do with the rest I'm not sure. Yeah, some I'm sure. The Suarez we see back end over here, it's not going to be sold. The ES250 Lexus and things have to go, get a very good price if I'm going to sell it. It's the only one in Norway, very few in Europe. So there's things like that, but no, just see what you can do with the Outlander, maybe sell it. Okay. Then I'm trying to make some more updates from now going on, because as you see, the sun start to come up a little higher and it start to come down where we're living, and it start to be able to think about doing something outside. So we are soon going to be in Mars. What is it then? 25th of February today, and hopefully spring is coming early this year. Last year it was completely hopeless, so we're just hoping. But please come back, please subscribe to the channel, please put a like and put in comments. For you guys who have been in the channel many times, you have seen many of the cars I have. The Trans Am, I need to find out things about that. If I can't have time to find it out myself, just have to deliver it somewhere and get them to find out what I have to change and change it so I can use it. The S-Class that we got last time should have been nice to fix the front there so you can use it a little. The Jaguar also. Yeah, it's a lot of cars, so please write comments. What should I do? Should I sell someone? Which one should I start working on? So, thank you, please come back.